let's take a look at how we're going to use the HDMI pass-through and to connect the document camera to a desktop or a laptop PC. So we have our document camera here. What you want to make sure that you get is an HDMI cable. Now the HDMI cable is going to connect right in here. So we have an HDMI in and HDMI out, and this is actually for your power source. So what we want to do is we want to connect the HDMI output right here with this. We'll go ahead and plug it right in here. Now we have this going out, and the other end, of course, is going to go to a monitor. So the other end is just like this, and you'll plug this into a monitor. You have your HDMI in right here, and this device works as a pass-through. So what is an HDMI pass-through? Well, this feature actually lets you output the HDMI signal, both audio and video, from a device such as a Blu-ray disc player, a cable box, or satellite receiver, or any other HDMI source. So the benefit of this is if you're going into that other monitor and that monitor only has one HDMI input, now you can have two different devices connected to that monitor. So there's a benefit there. So now what we want to do is we want to connect the document camera to your computer. So how we do that is over on this side right here, we have our PC Connect. So we want to get a USB cable. So here we have the USB cable. This end is going to go to your computer, and this end right here is just going to plug right in on the side. And it's as easy as that. So remember, this end is going to plug into your computer, and now you have your computer connected and you have your HDMI cable connected for a monitor output. Now it's not necessary to have the HDMI connected to a monitor if you're going to connect this to a computer. So one of the reasons that you may want to have this connected to an HDMI output is that you actually have the ability to use this document camera and capture images and make videos without the use of a computer or software. So that's it. Like I said, very, very simple, very easy to use. Thank you very much. Alright, so now that you're a little bit familiar with the M70W document camera, I want to let you know that this is a wireless document camera. And it's more than just a wireless in the typical sense where it'll connect to your classroom or to your school network. This has peer-to-peer connection via an access point. And what that means is it'll connect from your document camera directly to your PC. So don't forget to return to watch that video. Thanks a lot, and so long.